welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to jump on here this morning and give you guys a quick update and apologize for not having a video posted. It's been a crazy weekend. Saturday I had a bunch of Etsy orders I needed to get out, and then I went and helped my youngest daughter pack. She's moving about 6 hours away from me this week, and well, when I say I helped my youngest daughter pack, my packing was me sitting there holding the 1-month-old. You know, Meemaw's got to do that. And then yesterday was Father's Day, so we had church yesterday morning, and then after church we went and seen my in-laws for a little while, and then church last night, and so the weekend was just crazy. And then I don't know about tonight. I know that I have a ton of inventory coming in, so make sure you check out my Etsy store because I have lots of new product coming in, a lot of restock and that kind of stuff. And so when my Etsy orders get here, I am so OCD and so whatever, I have to go ahead and get everything labeled. I have to get SKU numbers on everything. I have to go ahead and get everything put up where it goes. So that's going to take a while. But what I may try to do is one of the ones that I was telling you about, where I do the screen recording and then do a voiceover showing you how I've done some stuff. I have had some requests on where I get my images from, so that may be what I do, and that would probably be pretty easy for a voiceover. So I may try to do that sometime this afternoon, and then, you know, I'll try to get one done so that I have that one. Maybe I can post today or this evening, and then I'm going to do one for in the morning for you guys. So I just wanted to jump on here real quick just to let you guys know that I have not forgotten about all of you. You guys are amazing. When I checked this morning, we were at 495 subscribers. So we're only 5 away from our 500. So we will definitely be doing the drawing. I'm just trying to figure out if I want to do it like June 30th, July 1st. What we'll do, I think I just answered it myself. We'll do it June 30th. So I will link the video below that you need to like and share and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And I'll link that video below. That's the one that you need to comment on, that you have liked, shared, and you're subscribed. And then that's the video that I will pull from on the comments that have done all of those things. And then, like I said, at first I was going to do a journal that I already had completed, but I don't want to do that. I want to make it something personal for you. So once we do the drawing and I know who the winner is, then I'm going to, you know, send you a series, or I will need you to send me your email address, and then I'll send you a series of questions like, what is your favorite color? What are some things that you like? What are some things you don't like? Is there a particular flower? Is there a particular animal? Is there a particular theme? And so that's what I'm going to do. And then I am going to tailor the journal according to those answers. And then I'm not going to let you know. I am going to, and I will video like either me making the journal or a flip through of the journal, but I will not post that until after you have received your journal. So that way it'll be a surprise for you when you open it. So anyway, guys, I've got to run. It's time for me to go to my other job. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and say thank you guys so much for being such amazing subbies, and for liking and all the comments and the sharing. I appreciate it. And I'm sorry there's not a Photoshop tutorial this morning. I will have one for you guys in the morning, but I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.